Hey guys, welcome to Rudra Tech tutorial, and in this chapter 14.1 of Angular 8 unit testing with Jasmine and Karma, we are going to unit test pipe with parameters. Objective of this video is to understand how to unit test custom pipe with parameters. Now I have created this video on request of one of my subscriber who wanted to understand the unit testing of custom pipes with parameters. I have already created a video for custom pipes, but that is created without parameters. Now, before we go ahead with our unit test case, here is the example that I have prepared for demonstration of pipe with parameter. Now, in this case, I have created a enclosed pipe. Now, this enclosed pipe will help me to enclose the given text into the parenthesis, curly braces or square brackets. Now, here syntax would be like this: the sample text, the enclosed pipe, and whatever the parameter that you want to set, and the output would be the sample text. Then here is another demonstration of the enclosed pipe. Now here by default the value is selected as square, and hence the text below here is in square bracket, that is it is enclosed in square brackets. Then I'm going to change it to curly, so you can see the text is enclosed in curly braces. If I change it to the parenthesis, so in this case no values for the parameter will be passed, and it will display the output in this manner, that is the parenthesis. Then let's go and see the code for the enclosed pipe. Now here is the code for the enclosed pipe, and in this code we have a transform method for our pipe which transforms the values of our pipe into the required value. It has two parameters. First one is the value, that is the sample text. Then the next parameter is the type, whether you want to have the text enclosed in curly braces, square brackets or parentheses. So this type will decide that, and notice that I have marked it with question mark, making it optional. So if you want to pass any certain value, it will accept it. If you don't want to pass it, it will go for the default value. Then I have also checked type not equal to undefined. So here I am checking whether the parameter is passed or not. Then I have checked type dot to lowercase equal to curly. So if this is the parameter that is passed, then it is going to return the text enclosed in the curly braces. Next step, I have checked for the square, and if this is the option selected, the text will be returned in the square brackets. Then in the final and the default option, I have just enclosed the text into the parenthesis, and that text is returned. Now notice that this is the default option, and if you do not enter anything, or you do not enter anything that matches curly or square, it will return this particular value. Now let's go and unit test the enclosed pipe. Now here is the unit test case for the enclosed pipe. Now in this case, I have created a variable for pipe which will have the instance of the enclosed pipe class. Now remember that whenever we are unit testing a pipe individually, it is nothing more than a unit test case for the transform method. So here I have written two unit test cases that will demonstrate if I pass a parameter and if I don't pass a parameter. So first, expect pipe dot transform. Here I have passed the sample text, and here I have passed the parameter, and I'm going to expect that this particular combination will result into or will return this particular text. Then the next unit test case is that here I have not passed the parameter. So in the expect, I'm going to write pipe dot transform the sample text, and it is going to be tested against this particular text, which is the default parenthesis will be returned and with the enclosed text. So this is how you can unit test the pipes with parameters. I hope you have understood this video. If you do subscribe, and thank you.